face, don't say a word. There's beauty in this calm yet uncome world. Love it when you laugh with me, hate it when you cry. For every song unsung and every hope in my young crying lungs, you sure have some chemistry. I do like your mind, old but new, transformed. We both know the truth despite the scorn. How do you relate with me? It's your voice that I like. I knew you back in my old life, so now the years pass and time goes by. Memories fade like jeans, worn and torn through life, but there's no one else I want there on my side. Not once, but still to come. The work week's long, but what we know. Fun the way you joke with me, sarcastic every time. A gentleman in cuffs, clever in my heart, I'll call you bluff. People still assume some things. They say there's no divide. I knew you back in my old life, but now the years pass and time goes by. Memories fade like jeans, worn and torn through life, but there's no one else I want there on my side. Now 3 times back I'm blessed. Thought I forgot about happiness. Love it when you joke with me, you hate it when I cry. And every song we sung and all the hopes in our old clever lungs, I love to relate with you. Sometimes you read my mind. I knew you back in my old life, but now the years pass and time ticks by. Memories fade like jeans, worn and torn through life, but there's no one else I want there on my side. In my old life, but now the years pass and time ticks by, screaming out blink one, and I'd roll my eyes, but there's no one else I want there on my side. Well, hey, hi, hello. Thank you guys so much for listening. I love you so much. Thank you for being here. Please like, please comment, please share. Give me a thumbs up if you don't mind. I love doing this so much, and I can't believe that there's as many of us here as there are, and it's so cool, and I hope you're having a great day. I hope that life is treating you well. I hope that you're in love with music as much as I am. And yeah, my name is Mary Michelle Worthy. Thank you for listening.